So today's topic is simplifying variable expressions. Okay. So in this lesson, let's look into the vocabulary. What vocabulary do we need? Oh. So the first thing is a term. And the next one is coefficient.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
You did? And the constant. And the like terms. Okay, so we're gonna see all these vocabulary in this lesson, and then we make sense of how to combine like terms and what does the terms means, like those things. Okay. So if you look at this one right here, these two are the coefficients. The numbers in front of the letters are the coefficients.
Got
it. Okay. So the numbers in front of the letters. And then this one is a constant. Okay. And then you can call, these are the terms. Terms means like this. This is a term. This is a term. This is a term. So terms are separated by plus or minus. Okay. Now let's look into this one. Identify the terms, like terms, coefficients, constant on this expression. When I see this one, y plus 8 minus 5y minus 3, right? So the first thing is terms. Terms are like all separated by. So the terms, this, 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 and this. That's the terms. Okay. Next, like terms. Like terms means has the same letter, or you can say same variable. So in this one, like terms are y and then 5y. These two are the like terms. Okay. So I can write it like terms are y and negative 5y. That's one thing. And then another like terms are constant numbers, negative 8 and these negative 3. They're also like terms, positive 8 and then negative 3. Okay, that's the next one. Next one is the coefficients. Coefficients are basically the numbers in front of the letters. Okay, so the letter here is no number there. That means 1 is there. That's a 1. And then this is negative 5. Those are the coefficients. Does that make sense? Yes?
Yes, but what about 8?
Constant. Constants means just the numbers. Just the numbers.
I'm confused.
That's the reason I'm going over. Okay? 8 and negative 3. Those are the numbers, right? That's called constant. Okay? Let's find out the coefficients, terms, constants, like terms. That's good. Constants is no letters, 2 and 4. Coefficient means the numbers in front of the letters. That's 6 and 1. When they ask you to simplify an expression, so what you need to look at is, you look for the like terms. Okay? So you look for the like terms. What does like terms means?
Like terms means the terms that are the same. Like term would be n and n.
Yes. So the same letters or same variables are called like terms. So in these two are like terms, I'm going to put it together. Let's say this is 4n. There are 4 notebooks are there, and you took over 1 notebook. So how many you have now?
Oh, so wait, what did you say? Sorry.
4n, take away 1n, that is 3n. Okay? And then the other like terms are negative 7 and then positive 9. So let me combine this together. Negative 7 plus 9 is what? Negative 7 plus 9.
Sorry, negative 16.
Positive 2. Okay? There's a minus 7 and plus 9, which is positive 2. Now, when I look at these, they are all separate. They're not like terms. So that's the answer. Okay? Let's think of a basket. In this basket, I have some apples. And then I have some oranges. Okay? Oranges. So let's say oranges are O, or let's oranges are.
Oh yeah, you can't. Oh yeah, my mom taught me this. You can't add apples with oranges.
There we go. Now you remember. So, and then 3n. Let's say n is the oranges, and then 2 is the apples. Now you can't combine them. That's it. Okay. So first identify the terms, like terms and coefficients and constant, and then we're going to simplify them. Okay. Okay, so the first one is good. You tried 8x plus 2, that's good. But the second one, let's look into the like terms. In this one, like terms are negative 7b and a positive 1b, right? Negative 7 plus 1, what do you get?
Oh, what? You subtract it, right?
Negative 6b.
Oh shoot, that was my first answer. Like over here.
And then you have positive 3 and then minus 10. So what's a positive 3 minus 10?
3 minus 1.
So it's a negative 6b minus 7. That's the answer. Okay? Now we see this question right here. Now we have some parentheses and then some other stuff there too. Okay? So we learned the distributive property in the last lesson. So let's do the distributive property first. Whenever you see parentheses, you need to take care of the distributive property. Ready?
In the pandas.
Right. So let's distribute this one first. So 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 9x plus 1. Now I look for the like terms. So I see which one is like terms. Tell me what are the like terms in this?
Like terms are 9x, I mean 9.
9x?
Yeah. And 1.
9x and 2x.
2x and 8 and 1.
Okay, let's first combine them first. Then before we can move on to the other ones. How much is that? Tell me.
7.
11x. Next. And then we have negative 8, positive 1. So let's put it together. What is negative 8 positive 1? Okay, so you put it together, 11x minus 7. That's the answer. Okay? All right, let's try this question. First, distribute it. You see the parentheses, and then highlight the like terms, and then combine. That's good. You got the distributive property, combine the like terms. Good job. All right, let's try the next question. So in this one,
I'm not done.
Okay, now let's check your answer. 5x, that's good. You distribute this one here, that's a 3x. And then this one here is minus 3.
I tried to type on it so I could highlight it, but it didn't.
That's fine. You can just write it down, and then you can use a highlighter too. So it's 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. It has to be positive 8x. And then positive 2 and minus 3, that's a negative 1. Okay? You gotta be very careful with those when you simplify them.
Right? Right and simplify expression.
For the perimeter. So the perimeter means you're basically adding all of them. Okay? So when you add all of them, you can write it like x plus 5 plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so combine the like terms and then combine the constant. So you like that? So that's 4x's there, 4x's, and then 5 plus 1. So when you add we have to add the constants also. Okay, see right here, 5 plus 1, that gives you a 6 there. Okay, good work. Okay, let's go ahead and then simplify this one.
Hello, Mr. Rolo.